Wins one. Stubborn stamer move. I'm not happy with this sports level though. Subscribe to the channel. I'd much appreciate it. In fact, should I play a game? I want as many subscribers on this video as possible. I'm up to 790 subscribers. Why not round it up to 1,000 by the end of the week? So yeah, please support the channel and subscribe, because I'm going to be the longest YouTube washing machine addict ever. I'm going to be at this for many years, this channel, so there's a lot more content coming on this channel. Video after video after video, so don't miss out and subscribe please. Much appreciate it. Just wins 1-0.